Earlier in the course, I told you that you can create your own node packages and publish them on NPM registry. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you how to do that. First, let's create a new folder. We're going to create a new node project. Let's call this lion-lib. So we're going to create a library called lion, just like how we have a library called underscore. Now let's go to lion. Here we need to create a package.json file. So npm init with the yes flag. Okay, we have a package.json. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. So here I'm going to add a new file, index.js, because that's the entry point to our package. Now here we can export one or more functions. I'm going to export a very simple function, module.exports.add. We set this to a function that takes two parameters and simply returns their sum. Very simple function. We just want to focus on how to publish a node package. Now, back in terminal, if you don't have an account on npm.js, you need to create an account first. We can do that by running npm add user. If you already have an account, instead of add user, you run npm login. Either way, you're going to get these three questions. First is your username. So mine is Mosh Hamedani. Then is your password. And finally, your email address. So programmingwithmosh@gmail.com. So we can see I'm logged in as Mosh Hamedani. Now, in order to publish this package, we run npm publish. So when you try to publish, you're going to get an error because you don't have permission to modify that package. So to solve this issue, go back to package.json and use a unique name for your package. So add something here like, I don't know, some random number, just to make a unique package name, okay? And then back in terminal, run npm publish. So I published this package on npm. Now we can use it in another node application. So let's go out of this folder, create another folder like node app. Here we start with npm init. We have a basic package.json, and we can install this package that we just published using npm install lion-lib. Okay, beautiful. Now let's open this in VS Code. So inside of node modules, you can see we have lion-lib, we have our index.js, which is where we're exporting our add function, right? And we have our package.json. But the package.json that you see here has more metadata than what we provided, because once you publish that, npm adds its own properties to this package.json. Also, you can see this package is listed under dependencies, and the current version is version 1.0.0. Now we can use this as another node module in this application. So in the root of this folder, I'm going to create a new file, index.js, and load our node module. So we use the require, and the name of our module is lion-lib. Now we store it in a variable like lion and simply call lion dot. Look, we have the add function. We give it two arguments, get the result, and simply log it on the console. Okay, now back in the terminal, we can run node index.js and we get 3. So we published and used a package on npm. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to publish newer versions of your package.